Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can do factory settings or erase all the contents in a Redmi mobile. Okay, for that, guys, just navigate to settings. Here, click on settings here. So once you click on settings, go to about phone. So once you go to about phone, here you can see factory reset. Okay, click on the factory reset. Here you'll get accounts, contacts, photos and videos, apps, backups, and other items on this device. Okay, once you get that, guys, you have to make sure that whatever you are doing here, when you do the factory reset, all these things will be deleted. Accounts, contacts, photos and videos, apps, backup, and other items on the device. So click on erase all data. So once you enter the password, it will ask you factory reset. Once you click on factory reset, you will get this message. Factory data reset will erase all of your data. Now you have to wait for the next step to click. It is waiting for 10 seconds. So once you have done that, click on next step. Once you have got that, make sure the imported items are backed up on your computer. So it will also wait for 10 seconds. Click on OK. So once you click on OK, all the items will be deleted. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.